This is how you clean white shoes like a pro. Say bye to those grimy kicks and hello to sparkling clean shoes. I'm going to show you 3 methods that can be combined to create the ultimate shoe cleaning technique. Now, before you think about tossing your shoes into the washing machine, stop right there. While it might seem like a quick fix, the washer can cause more harm than good. It might clean your shoes, but it can also prematurely age your canvas shoes and dry out your leather shoes, leading to cracking and other damage. Remove the laces from the shoes, as they will be cleaned separately. Insert shoe trees, if you have them, to maintain the shape of the shoes and make cleaning easier. If you don't have shoe trees, use socks or crumpled paper, which will also help in maintaining the shape of the shoes and make cleaning easier. To clean the shoes, use a high-quality horsehair brush with soft bristles. A horsehair brush is effective at wiping away dirt and debris from your shoes, as the soft bristles allow dirt to come off easily. The brush will thoroughly and gently clean the shoes, removing dirt and debris from even the smallest gaps and crevices without damaging the leather. For this method, use a shoe cleaner designed for your material. Shoe cleaners are formulated for specific materials, making them more effective while being gentle. They often come with sponges, but you can use regular or sneaker sponges if needed. Before applying the shoe cleaner, dampen the shoes with a wet cloth, as this will make the shoes easier to clean. Use the shoe cleaner on the entire sneaker, scrubbing and focusing on any stubborn stains. When you finish cleaning, wipe off the cleaner and let the shoes dry for about 30 minutes. If you don't have a shoe cleaner on hand, don't worry. A great alternative is to use toothpaste and a toothbrush. Start by grabbing a toothbrush and plain white toothpaste. Colored toothpaste may cause staining, so it's important to use a white one. For a quick spot test to ensure the toothpaste won't stain, try applying it on the tongue of the shoe first. Apply the toothpaste to your sneakers and gently scrub in small circles to lift stains. Allow the shoes to sit for 10 minutes with the toothpaste on them, then wipe off the remaining paste. If any stains remain after the initial scrubbing and 10-minute sit, repeat the process again until the stains are removed. For persistent stains, a tablespoon of laundry detergent mixed with warm water in a bowl can help break them down. Use a brush with medium stiff bristles to scrub the shoe with circular motions, ensuring you get into all the crevices and gaps. The medium stiff bristles will work harder on stubborn stains, making the cleaning more effective. After scrubbing, rinse your shoes in the sink, washing off all the detergent. Let the shoes dry overnight or for about 10 hours. For tough marks on sneaker soles, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser works great. Now that your shoes are clean, let's focus on the laces. We'll clean the laces by soaking them in a bowl of laundry detergent for 20 minutes. Scrub them with a toothbrush until the dirt is gone, then rinse and let them dry. Gents, if you want to step up your style efficiently and effectively, look for a proven path. Which is why, gents, I wanted to show you this, my new free group for you that not only has instruction, but an amazing community that is distraction-free. Finally, I found a platform that makes this so simple, so easy, and so effective for you to be able to step up your style. Seriously, gents, I've got courses in this community that I used to sell. You can get for free. I've set up prizes, I've gamified it. Guys, I'm gonna link to it down in the description. Or if you just wanna go over to the URL, it's at skool.com/RMRS. Leather shoes lose moisture after washing, which can lead to cracking. To prevent this, use a leather shoe conditioner. Apply the conditioner to a cloth and rub it evenly over the upper part of the shoe. Wipe off any excess conditioner and allow the shoes to dry for about 30 minutes. To keep your sneakers looking fresh, consider using a protective shoe spray. This helps prevent tough stains and keeps dirt from settling in again. But remember, only apply the protective shoe spray to shoes made of materials it's designed for. And there you have it. Now you can relace your sneakers and admire your hard work. With these steps, you've transformed your shoes from grimy to glamorous. All right, gents, so what video to watch next? Well, boom, I got you covered with this one right here. Oh yeah, check it out. Boom, right there, click it.